In this video, let me show you how to fix Discord cannot upload files. Now, there are multiple reasons why this could happen. The first thing that you need to check or ensure is that you have the attachment that you're trying to upload is under 10 MB. Discord caps free files up to 10 MB. So if your file is above 10 MB, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Secondly, if this is not the case for you, and even if your file is small, this could be happening due to the server upload permissions, meaning the server owner has not allowed such actions from your side or from anyone's side within the channel. So in this situation, what you need to do is just head over to a different channel and try to see if you can upload the file or the attachment. If you can, as I said, this is the exact issue that you're facing, and in this situation you just need to directly contact the owner. Now, if none of these solutions are working, what you can likely do in this situation is just try to reinstall the application of Discord onto your device, because this is likely happening due to the app bugs or app glitches. So once you reinstall the application, your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.